This viral TikTok pasta just got a vegan upgrade. Jimmy Vegan is the name, food and travel is my game. This baked cheesy pasta was all over social media a few years ago. I had to take it though and put my own spin on it. It's creamy, cheesy, flavor-packed, and unbelievably easy to make. It's a one-pan wonder with minimal effort and maximum flavor. The recipe traditionally calls for feta cheese. I, on the other hand, substitute mozzarella because I like the flavor of mozzarella better. I also customized it a little bit more. I added mushrooms and I add spinach to mine just to give it a pop of color and more vegetables. I'm a fan of easy and delicious plant-based recipes. If you are too, grab my 10 favorite recipes. It's the first link in the description below. I didn't put this in the recipe, but after it comes out of the oven, you should pop the tomatoes. They'll be easier to mix if you pop them. So, as you can see here, I'm popping all the tomatoes, baby. Look at this. It's savory, it's cheesy, it's filling, it's comforting. You're gonna add some pasta to this, you're gonna add some spinach to this, and then you're gonna lose your mind on how amazing this damn pasta dish is. Put the spinach in. The heat from the cheese will make it wilt and it'll cook down. So listen, I'm telling you, pick up this recipe today. You're not gonna regret it. You can add it to your weekly rotation or meal plans when you want something hot, delicious, and easy to make in under 30 minutes. This recipe went viral for a reason. It's hearty, it's heartwarming, it's filling, it's savory, it's cheesy, it's comforting. Did I say comforting? This is the first plate of 3 that I had. Judge me not. You won't want to stop eating it either. So, the only question is, when are you gonna make it? When are you gonna pick up the recipe? Again, my 10 favorite recipes. It's the first link in the description below.